We have just spent the last 4 days here at Butlins in Bognor Regis. We took 2025 off of Butlins. We didn't come here at all in 2025 because in 2024 we came for the Christmas season and we actually advised people not to come. It's been about a year and 2 months, a year and 3 months. We'll give it another go. We'll see if anything has changed or anything has improved. Now stick around to the end of this review and I will tell you A, what we paid for this break, and B, our full final thoughts. We're here in the Ocean Hotel. We're on a Monday to Friday, early March. Now when I say this is off-peak, I mean it's super off-peak. 2 of the Fairground rides here were in pieces at the beginning of the week, and only one has been rebuilt and is working again. Now I'm not actually going to call that a net negative because you expect less when you pay less. The rides haven't changed and by this point all but one are operational. The Rocking Tug has not been opened at all week, and the Witch's Hat and the Waltzers have been in pieces, but the Waltzers are now fully rebuilt. You'll see some footage actually of them putting it back together and fully operational again. And I'm actually going to call this a net positive for Butlins because what this shows is that they care about their rides, they care about the safety of their guests, and they do a full maintenance schedule on them. It's a really good thing, I think. Play Xperience. We actually gave it a glowing review last time, and all we did was the Tech Putts and the 7 Seas escape room. Now this time we did 2 of the Tech Putt courses. We did Vegas and we did Neon. We did the Witchcraft and Wizardry escape room. And we also took the children into the V-Arcade. Now I can't say enough positive about the V-Arcade, because if you buy your tokens in advance, and we spoke about this in our previous review, they are much cheaper if you buy them in advance. 20 tokens is £104 currently. I think they're a bit more expensive if you go on a half-term break, but we are on a term time break. And it was 2 tokens per child, so 4 tokens in total, so around about £20 in total to go into this V-Arcade for an hour. And in there were all manner of VR games and rides. The same VR rides that they used to have out in the Skyline Pavilion for £5 to £7 a person per go. And the kids could just use them unlimited for that hour. It was really, really good. I can't say enough positive about it. Play Xperience is still right up there with something that Butlins has done that is pretty damn good. The Tech Golf is kind of looking a bit worn out because people have destroyed some of the play mats and they haven't been replaced, so there's big chips in them. But I'm sure at some point that will get fixed and sorted. Now let's get to where our biggest bugbear from 2024 was, and that was the deck restaurant and the quality of the food. And we said it was not worth doing. It was not worth paying for the premium/hotel dining. We said the offerings had gone down. We said the quality had gone down. And the price had either stayed the same or gone up. Now the price has, once again, pretty much stayed the same. But I will admit that we were pleasantly surprised by the deck restaurant. It does appear that once again the options have reduced. That does seem to be a fact. But the quality of those offerings was certainly far better this time around than it was in December of 2024. So that's a huge, huge positive, because it means that we can now say that we enjoyed the food, we enjoyed the breakfast, we enjoyed each night's dinner. There was something for each of our tastes, and we do recommend the hotel/premium dining based upon our experience this time. It still blows my mind how much the base cost of this trip was. Yes, we've done add-ons, play tokens, all action passes, which was bungee trampolines, go-karts, another round of golf, bowling and American pool all in one pass for £15 a person, which is, when considering the go-karts are £7 per person for one go, you can see how that becomes very much worth it. So the price that we paid for this trip may be affording us a little bias, but this is still a 4-night trip where us and the children have very, very much enjoyed ourselves, as has my 80-year-old grandmother. She's had a grand old time. Butlins do offer an all-inclusive drinks package now, and we did not choose to have it. It's relatively expensive, and it includes all of your drinks, alcohol inclusive, for your entire break in one price. We're wearing these orange wristbands. People with the all-inclusive drinks package were wearing green ones. We thought this was not worth doing, but having been to centre stage tonight and having one round of soft drinks for 5 people costs the best part of £20, we can quickly see how it may be worth doing, even if you're not an alcohol drinker. Drinks packages also include Costa Coffee, which is £4 to £6 a go per person. It includes alcohol, all of cocktails, wines, beers, spirits. We're not drinkers, but it includes milkshakes, slushies, basically your entire drinks for your entire week. And what they are now pricing these drinks at, I think, is deliberate in order to push people to buy this drinks package. Just shy of £18 for 2 Diet Cokes, a Coke, a J2O, and a tiny little slushie. That's an outrageous price. They're not going to bring their drinks prices down. That's not going to happen. So if you're going to come here, I would suggest, unless bringing your own drinks for the entire week, maybe the drinks package is worthwhile. The room is the room. It's the Ocean Hotel. We've given many room tours of it. We filmed another room tour of it this time. It is fine. It's a large room. Well, it's technically 3 rooms if you think about it. It's got your main bedroom, in which I'm sitting now with these chairs, a queen-size bed, which Chrissy's on behind the camera. There's a balcony just out here. You've got a bathroom with a full-size bath, a toilet, sink. There's a fridge down here. And then there's a second bedroom with the kids' 2 full-size single beds in it. It's been serviced by housekeeping twice this week, both yesterday, Wednesday, and today, Thursday. It's clean, it's tidy. I've got no complaints, none whatsoever. Let's talk about the entertainment. Now, we didn't actually go and see many of the shows because we didn't have really the time to do so. With all of the things that we included into our break, just with the play tokens and the all-action passes alone, the days were quickly eaten up by activities, and then you include swimming and the fairground into the mix. The days went quick. They went really, really quick. Butlins pools are just the best pools in the country, bar none. I don't really need to say much more than that. If you've experienced one of the Butlins water worlds, you know how good they are. They are good. And the hot tubs could actually be hot. Although we used to call them the cold tubs, I can now confirm they're the lukewarm tubs. We went in one earlier. But the entertainment, it is what it is. It's cheesy, high quality, high production value fun. We just saw the pantomime this evening, Jack and the Beanstalk, and it was exactly as I expected it would be. Lowbrow, entertaining slop that had jokes and songs that both children and adults alike could enjoy. With all of that in mind, the needle has moved, insomuch that I would absolutely recommend a break here at Butlins Bognor Regis for the right price. What is that price? Well, for this room, the Ocean Hotel, March 2nd to March 6th, 2026, we had a Premier Club discount of 5% per room. For 4 nights, 2 adults, 2 children, inside this room, with full access to Splash Water World, full access to the fairground, and all of the entertainment inclusive. £55 Not per person, not per night, total £55. You can't get a Premier in for that, especially not for 4 nights, especially not with access to a swimming pool, a fairground, and high quality, high production value entertainment. And then after that base price, you can then choose. Do you want to add your food on? Do you want to get a drinks package? Do you want to be self-catering? The apartments were even cheaper. People staying in the Wave Hotel over the way paid £43. It's an absolute no-brainer. However, if the price is £1,400 before adding food, before adding a drinks package, before anything else, play tokens or the like, maybe think twice. But if you can find a very, very, very cheap price to stay here, hey, a moderate price to stay here, I would suggest it's absolutely worth doing, which is a big change. Well, I can say that I've had a good time. I think Chrissy's had a good time and the kids have had a great time. There is also a brand new soft play. It's called the Skyline Gang Soft Play. It's in the old cinema. The entrance is really cool. They've got like LED screens. We didn't even have time to use this new soft play. The old soft play is still standing inside the Skyline Pavilion, but they only use it on really busy breaks or at weekends, or if they want to open the soft play 5:30 to 7:30 is what they told us. They won't open the Skyline Gang soft play, they'll open the old one inside the Skyline Pavilion. And if the weather's bad as well, they'll open it as a secondary offering and have both soft plays open. Butlins Bognor Regis, for the right price, I can highly recommend. Do come, do visit, do have a great time with your family. And of course, thank you for watching this one, and we will speak to you again in the next one. Bye for now.
Subscribe to Real Review UK.